Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking video. So in today's video I'm going to do some chicken liver, some boiled banana and steamed callaloo for my breakfast. So I'm washing the liver with some lime juice to reduce the rawness. So as you know, I use up the calabash with the water in it. So I'm going to use some thyme, garlic, scallion, onion for seasoning. So I just want to say thanks again from the bottom of my heart. Me and my camera team really appreciate the love and the support that you guys have been pouring out there for us. We really appreciate it, and thanks for being a part of Caribbean Vibes cooking family. So I'm gonna strain off the water. Wash off the liver, right? Yep. So I'm gonna add the thyme. I'm just gonna chop up the garlic as fine as possible. Adding the scallion. So I'm just gonna cut up them because they're gonna eventually cook out. Powdered season, I'm using a spoon of garlic powder, some chicken season, some all-purpose season, and I know can't left out the pimento seed. Just a little bit of soya sauce. I'm just gonna add just a little bit of browning on it to give it a little bit of color, not too much. And I'm also gonna add some pepper in it, so I'm just gonna chop up some green pepper, just a little bit to add some spice to it. So I'm currently rubbing in the season, so I'm gonna leave it to marinate. So I'm gonna add in some of the green pepper. So I'm gonna leave it to marinate for 20 minutes. So I'm currently catching up the fire now to start the vlog, guys. Fire give me a little trouble, a little bit of trouble, but it's getting there. It's getting there. So guys, change of plan. The cameraman, you know, say him, I call the shots. My man behind the scenes, so anything you say goes most of the time. So he decided that he wants some cornmeal dumpling, so I'm gonna make some cornmeal dumpling for him, because he's a man who loves his flour, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna make some cornmeal dumplings. So it's gonna be cornmeal dumpling, boiled banana, chicken liver, and steamed callaloo. So I'm using a little bit of this refined cornmeal and just a little bit of salt. Cause the big man himself say I want cornmeal dumpling today, so you know I have to make sure so the cameraman good. Yeah, fire prop the people, you hear that? Fire prop. So cornmeal dumpling, boiled banana today, and some chicken liver, you know what I mean, and some callaloo, steamed callaloo. So I have the callaloo in the water, so I'm gonna add some salt. But a bubble up. Ah! My God! I add little salt in the pot. Go and knead in the flour them. Drop them in, you know what I mean? I make the dumpling and add them in. I'm adding some cooking oil in the water, guys, and the cooking oil I go help stain up the container. Need the my hand, the cooking oil now go make nothing stain up. So all the ladies who are afraid of peeling banana, just add some cooking oil in the container. So I'm just gonna mark the banana, come right round. And just peel them. So I'm gonna add in the bananas. So I'm also gonna add just a little bit of cooking oil to prevent the banana from not changing color. So I am currently washing the callaloo. So I'm just strip them off, take off the bad leaves off of them. So I am washing them into some salt water now. And if you are wondering why am I washing the callaloo into the salt water, in case of any crawling insect, once you dip the vegetable into the salt water, the insect will automatically crawl out of the water. So the callaloo finished cut up now, guys. So I go check on the food pot and see what I go and feed. See if the banana cook. Most likely I'm gonna check on it again because it currently cooked still, but I'm gonna use the fork on to make sure that it is cooked. So the banana cooked, guys. So everything done. Just take it off, place it right there. So I'm adding some garlic. Just sauteing up the garlic to add some flavor into the oil. So the chicken liver. I'm just gonna stir it and leave it so the meat can produce some liquid. So I'm cutting up the scallion. So basically I'm just gonna re-season the pot, which is the chicken liver. So I'm using one scallion, one tomato, using also Irish potato. Piece of onion. Come on, behave yourself. I'm also using the bell pepper, which is a small bell pepper. So I'm adding in the vegetables. Now the chicken liver. Yeah, tastes good. Only thing is missing just a little bit more spice, which is piece of pepper. So I'm gonna steam the callaloo now. So I'm using a tomato. using a small onion. I'm gonna wash the thyme and adding it using this piece of bell pepper. Also adding some garlic. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the green pepper. And the liver. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of ketchup. Add in some butter. Now the steamed calalloo. Some all-purpose season. Just a little bit of salt. So I am currently checking on the chicken liver, guys. It's finished now, so I'm gonna take it off. I'm checking on the vegetable. So I'm just gonna make the vegetable steam for 5 minutes. So I like when my vegetable is crunchy, I don't like to cook out my vegetable too much, because especially callaloo, when you overcook the callaloo will get dark, and I don't want the callaloo to get dark. So I'm gonna share out for the cameraman. Your plate can't hold, man. Where you carry this a little plate cover for? Eh? Where you carry this a little plate cover for?
Plate for plate, yeah.
Alright, plate a plate. Because I don't know how it a go hold. You have so much plate in.
Just look here at us.
The people you know say for the cameraman this, you know. He might the first, but whoever I make sure I share out find the pot before nobody else, because he's the one who is behind the scene making sure that him catch the angles correct. So please like, share, comment and subscribe for more video. Peace out, guys.